Kung ikaw ay minimum wage earner na gusto magkaroon ng sariling bahay at lupa, tapusin mo tong video na to. For as low as 5,000 monthly amortization kay Pag-ibig, pagkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong bahay at lupa. Another day, another vlog, hunt na naman tayo ng mga affordable yet quality house and lot para sa inyo. Let me introduce to you our soon to rise project at Calauan, Laguna, Alora series of First Park Homes. This unit has a lot area of 41 square meter up to 100 square meter and complete finish na po ang turnover natin dito. We have limited slots na lang para sa unit na to, kaya kung interested ka, mag-message ka na at magpa-tripping. Don't wait, baka maubusan ka pa. By the way, I'm Christian of Namia, your poging ahente at your service.